They told me with the same answer that you would do.
Hi.
Hi.
Who goes?
What's everybody doing?
Who goes there?
Boo goes there. Since Halloween is coming up next, we have to say Boo goes there. Or
What are you going to be for Halloween, Eva?
a beautiful person. So, what are you going to do?
I'm not sure yet. I need some ideas.
What about you, Alexander? What are you going to be for Halloween?
What are you putting next to?
They're green beans.
And what's that white?
Mashed potatoes.
I'm gonna be Spider-Man for Halloween.
Oh, thank you.
Like,
Oh, well. Then it's mashed turnips.
yeah, I never tasted tuna, but I'll try it on your nose. Yeah. Yes. Daddy?
No, no, you don't. Show me what you're making with Play-Doh, Alexander. What are you making?
I'm making a clown.
A clam?
No, clown.
A clown?
Yeah.
Oh. Interesting.
So you're making a wig, Eva?
Wait, did you make mashed potatoes and green beans?
Yes.
That's hilarious.
She
No,
has
Like a
mashed
taco?
turnip.
Oh,
No,
mashed turnips. Huh?
mashed marshmallow on its head.
Oh, it looks like George Washington. Oh, well, hang on, let me get that for you.